Kiki and I are celebrating Carnevale today. So we decided to get dressed up and go into town because here in Italy they celebrate Carnevale for like a month, you know, and tomorrow's Mardi Gras, so we decided to celebrate it today. Kind of break our silence. I've been very quiet, as many of you have commented, and it's been just a lot of massive internal turning and recalibrating and integrating and realigning at such a massive level, which is what we're supposed to be doing. And it has to happen inside of us first. But oh boy, I've been given quite a massive mission. I mean, I always knew it, but it's really starting to come together, funded, and there's going to be a lot of, it's going to be really just first class for queens, for royalty. We are going to reclaim the Magi Grail lines, the true royal grail lines, and our positions as the guardians and stewards of the earth. So part of the plan is to take back what was stolen from us. And I'm talking about, you know, the ancient Tartarian structures, the palaces and the castles. So there will be investment opportunities here in Europe and also in other places around the world, but it's definitely not going to be a survival thing. I know there's a lot of communities, and I wrote about that, you know, people getting together and, you know, just homes, you know, basic survival kind of stuff, but you don't have to do that. I'm beyond survival. My last letter was about moving from survival to bliss. And, you know, there's plenty of people who love to do this here, you know, growing organic fruits and vegetables and, you know, fresh fish from the sea and, you know, bees and all, you know, all that kind of stuff that people need to do in the States because it was completely, most of it was completely disconnected, but these people have been doing it for hundreds and thousands of years. And so it's good. They're going to be educational hubs and spiritual retreats where people can invest at whatever level they want to. They can become a core member and actually live there, or they can, you know, have a home away from home in Europe in a castle or palace, or they can have a retreat center where they bring their groups, you know, for retreats, you know, several times a year. Or there's going to be all kinds of possibilities. I'm just downloading the information now. It's massive, so it's taking me a lot of time, but it's going to be really exciting. The places are just beautiful. I've looked at a lot of the properties. They're amazing. And, you know, there'll be something for every pocketbook. And then there'll also be educational hubs, you know, and I'll be continuing my film school, you know, conscious media, conscious multimedia and filmmaking and, you know, all kinds of arts and dance and movement and music and creating everything on a whole new timeline and with a whole new open architecture and, you know, just laying the foundation. And these hubs, these palaces, these castles are going to be resonating and bridges to the higher crystal cities on Earth. And so there'll be like, well, you can kind of imagine, let your imagination run wild about what's going to happen as more and more of this energy, the frequencies raise, and that connection, that portal is made. So it's going to be amazing, you know, and just stay tuned. Reach out if it's something that excites you. I will be grounding this in 3D Earth, so it'll be something where, you know, it's very clear, you know, in terms of money, there'll be shares and investments and everything will be on the up and up and very legal, and that's been, you know, learning how to do that. So it's going to be not just pie in the sky, but it's going to be grounded in investing in the future, in stewardship of the new earth, investing in the new earth in a very real way. And we'll be working a lot with real money, silver and gold. You know, the money will be translated and turned into, you know, real physical assets. So it's very complex, but it's very simple, and it's going to be just amazing. And it's going to be a way for you to put your time, your energy, and your dreams in intangible manifestations, taking back our guardianship of our Mother Earth. Ciao. Kiki's got her tutu on. Kiki, say bye. She's sleepy.